We'll guide you through how to share a location on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. There are different ways you can go and share your location on an iPhone, so make sure it's just full videos to know the different options. You can use permanently or just for a set amount of time as well. And also you may just want to go and share a location and not your location. So watch this full guide so you know the different options you've got, and let's go and get into this. So first of all, you can go and share your location using the Find My app. So by default, this should be on the second page, as you can see at the top there. What you can do is go and drag down and go and type in Find My, then you can go and open it up like this. So what you can do here is enable notifications. I won't for now. What you want to do is go down to the bottom left here and you can go and select people. Now you can press Start Sharing Location, or you can go to the top right of this section and press the plus like so. Then you can press Share My Location like this. Now what you can do is go and choose a contact. I've got some suggestions here, or you can go and type one in. So I'll go and type in a contact I've got here. You can add multiple if you want to as well. Press the plus to the right, you can go and open up your contacts as well. Once you've got someone selected, you can press the tick in the top right, and you can then choose the time frame. So you could go and do for 1 hour until the end of the day, or indefinitely. So for example, I could press indefinitely like so, and now it's circling, and they can now go and see your location. You can go and see your location in this list here, and you can press people and go and see it. They may go and choose to share their location back to you as well. Another way you can go and do this is by coming out of the Find My app, and what you can do is go and open up the Messages app like so. What you can then do is go and open up a chat you want to do this in. You can go to the bottom left, and you can press the plus. You get a list of options, and you can then go and scroll down and find locations. You can tap there. You then go and see your current location, and in the bottom right, you can press share. If you want to go and share a pin, you can press that pin icon in the top left, and you can then go and drag the pin wherever you want to go and put it, and you can go and send the pin, as you can see. If you want to go and share your location though, you can, as I'm doing here. You want to press share in the bottom right. Once again, you can then go and choose the amount of time. For example, I may only want to do it for 1 hour if I'm trying to go meet up with somebody for lunch. You can then see it there, and then what you can do is go and press send, and your location will go and be sent to them, and they can go and track you for the time frame you set, whether that was indefinitely for an hour or for whatever.